Hey guys, what's up? It's Amanda and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna get down and dirty, honey, with a pretty big mall haul. This is like the part 2 or the extension to the other haul that I recently posted, I think 2 videos ago. If you didn't catch that one, I'll leave it linked down below. So this is still all of the stuff that I bought over the Memorial Day and May 2-4 weekends. And let me tell you, like, every place was having amazing sales. But before we jump into this fly ass haul, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and follow me on all of my socials, okay? They're always linked down below. Enough of that stuff, you guys all know the drill. So I think I'm just going to start out with Marshalls because there's not that much stuff. I picked up this super adorable little tube top crop top. Like, look how adorable that is. It's striped and it's got this little like belt on the bottom that you can tie up. Oh, it's just adorable. And this one was $9.99 and it's super soft. Absolutely adorable. This next thing I picked up for Josh because when I seen it I was like, ooh, he gonna look sexy as hell wearing it on a date or something like that. And it's this blue and navy blue striped shirt. The brand is Chaps. I just thought it was so nice, so classic, you know? Like, it's got the nice collar with the few little buttons. Oh, he's gonna love it. Okay, so if you didn't catch that haul that I mentioned earlier, that's linked down below, you're not really gonna understand. But, oh my gosh, there was an outfit that I was completely obsessed about, and I found maybe a part 2 to it. Oh my god! Look at this neon yellow Mickey Mouse t-shirt. I love it. The brand is Neff. I think it's like a skate brand or something, but so adorable. Oh my gosh. Thumbs up this video right now if you already seen the haul and you know exactly what I'm talking about, because I see you. And the last item I got at Marshall's, bam! Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Look at these sunglasses. Oh my gosh, they're so bright, they're so big, they're so beautiful. These are also the brand Key. I died. And yes, these were on clearance. $16, yes. Check. Let's do Urban Planet next because there's quite a bit of things and there's like a good range of things. So, oh, these aren't from anywhere. Josh just happened to get these for me, but I have to show you. They are Hello Kitty earphones. How adorable is that? I'm sorry, the lights like blow it out and stuff, but like, it's so cute. Look at, it's got the ears and the Hello Kitty bow, and they're freaking fuzzy. And he got those for $9 at Bianca Amours. Okay, so now everything else is gonna be from Urban Planet. These right here, oh my gosh, Josh happened to see them. They were the only ones left, and they are, oh my gosh, wait till you see these. They are rainbow lights. Oh, like, look at that. They are little tiny rainbows. They are battery operated. They're so freaking adorable. I'm not even 100% sure where I'm going to hang them, but they're going up. Oh, and if you notice in my background, this beautiful tray. It's actually a tray, but I guess you could use it as a frame, whatever you want. There is a DIY video linked down below. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment. You know it. These were $9.99 regular. Holy shit balls. Then, oh my gosh, this was another huge sale item and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's this baby doll striped dress. These dresses are so freaking flattering on like any body type because it hugs your chest and a little bit under your boobs, but then, oh, it like flares right out just underneath that, so it hides any belly, any pooch if you're going on a date for dinner. This right here is a lifesaver, and it's a great summer dress. And this one was actually $15 and it was regular $35. Oh, and Josh actually picked this one out too. He did a really good job shopping this time. He was eyeing out the whole store, checking the deals, looking for stuff I would love. And one of the things is this hat. It has the praying hands on it and the word trust. So not only is it adorable, but it has a really great meaning. It is a snapback, so I'm gonna have to pair this up with a hella cute outfit. The next thing, oh my gosh, this shirt, I died when I seen it. I think it's freaking adorable. It's this little t-shirt that says baby girl, but it actually looks like it's spray painted. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but holy crap, and these were only $5. And I did get like a size too big because I had a really cool idea to like alter it a little bit to make it like even cuter, if that was at ever possible. Oh my gosh, and this is another thing Josh picked out because he knows I love fanny packs and I love to wear them as like a crossbody bag. And it's this, well, it looks pretty deformed. Let me just puff it up a little bit so you can see it. It's this like extra large fanny pack, like that's the shape of it, but it's actually a crossbody bag. Like I am so obsessed with that. So you can wear it either like this. I don't want to mess up the space buttons. You can either wear it like this in the front of your body, or you can switch it right around and you can wear it like on the back like that if you want. I absolutely love it. And this was only $10. And it's like highlighter pink. That's my vibes all over it. Oh, so oh my gosh, my space bun is falling. Pause for the cause. Oh my gosh, now it's all stupid. Anyways, we're gonna have to finish the video like this. I'm sorry, okay? So the whole reason we went to Urban Planet this time was actually just to get skirts. And now we're finally getting to the skirt. So I picked up this adorable white skirt and it's got these buttons all the way down the front. I think it's absolutely adorable. And it does have little pockets. Oh, so cute. Then the other skirt I got is this darker denim kind of distressed skirt. I don't know what it is, but like I love distressed denim. Like it's just so eye-catching and I love like the color fades and stuff. Oh, absolutely adorable. Then of course, when do I ever go to Urban Planet and not get any jewelry? Because it's always hella cheap. So I picked up this set right here. It's got the 3 hoops and 3 stud earrings. Absolutely adorable and right up my alley. Well, Urban Planet done. Now I will show you the amazing item I found at Winners and totally freaked over. Oh my gosh. And what's sad is like the camera and the lights are not even gonna do it justice. Oh my god. Oh yeah, you can't even tell, but like they are completely glitter. Like the entire shoe is freaking glitter. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can kind of see it. You know what? I'm just gonna insert like a photo or a video or something of it. And these were $30, but I think they're so worth it because of all of the glitter. So beautiful. Like these can't get dirty. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Those are gonna have to be like well taken care of. You know what I mean? Okay, so now for the last place. If I do it really, really quick, I hope the video's not gonna be too long. So we've got our Dean, And I'm gonna start out with all the small stuff because, you know, I love jewelry and accessories. For 3 for $15, I grabbed these 2 sets of rings. They're so freaking adorable. And of course, they are blinged AF. Then I also grabbed a necklace in the 3 for $15. And it's, of course, a layered necklace. If it's not like a big gaudy chain, like say this one, usually it's gonna be a layered necklace because I think they're adorable. There's a plain chain as the shortest. Then it reminds me of like a star on the middle one there. And the green little, what do you call that? Like a bullhorn or something? I'm not sure. But that's what actually drew me to this necklace because I don't actually have anything like that. So love that. Then obviously I am a sunglass whore. I love sunglasses. And these were 2 for $15, which I thought was a little bit like pricey, but whatever. They're super cute. I got these completely black on black shades, and I like them because they give you like a cat eye effect. And I think sunglasses like this are super feminine. Love these. The last pair I got, you guys are gonna freak. Oh my gosh, just freak. Oh, look at those. Let me just take this right off because we don't need that in our life. No, no. Oh, these are fluorescent pink frames with black lenses, heart-shaped glasses. Ah! I absolutely, like, I would wear these for the rest of the video, but I don't want these to take away from all of the other great stuff I got. Sorry. Now for the clothes, everything in here, 70% off. 70% off. Like, I freaked. So of course, you see your girl's wearing the Barbie shirt. Oh yes. I have to dye my hair blonde because like I would be the perfect Barbie. I'm just kidding. But am I really? Anyways, I picked up this adorable striped Barbie t-shirt crop top. Oh my gosh. I thought it was so cute because it's kind of like nerdy with the stripes, but it's still Barbie. So it's super cute. Like this is how I have my crop top styled today. I've got the La Senza little bralette underneath because it's hella short. Like if you put up your hand, woo, whoops, and we don't need none of that. Then the next little t-shirt crop top, oh my gosh, I freaking died. Oh, Sailor freaking Moon. How amazing is that? This one's a little bit shorter of a crop top, but still so freaking cute. Then this last outfit, then we're done. I seen these tights. They are amazing quality. Like they're stretchy, but they're like a firm stretch. So it's gonna hold you in, it's gonna make you look right and tight. That's what we all want, right? And they have this mesh cutout all along the side, and this kind of cutout is so trendy right now. Like I was so happy to find these, and the amazing thing is regular price. Okay, this is regular price is $14.80. $14.80. Like holy crap. Amazing. So of course, because I fell in love with these so much, I had to get a little crop top to go with them. And I seen this and was like, oh my gosh, like I am absolutely obsessed with this like highlighter yellow color. It's so bright. It looks amazing with the tan, and like you don't even have to have like a really dark tan for it to look really good, and that's pretty awesome if you ask me. Well guys, that brings an end to this mall haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what your favorite item was down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because so much amazing things are happening and I couldn't be happier happier. Like, we just did an amazing DIY project together, and I will leave that video linked down below, as well as the, I guess we could say, part 1 to this haul down below, so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys, and don't ever forget, I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.